Division of responsibilities at mealtime. In the Montessori Method, adults and children have different responsibilities. The adult is generally responsible for creating the prepared environment and providing acceptable choices for the child. The adult also sets clear expectations and models expected behaviors. Meanwhile, children are generally responsible for choosing what to do and for how long to do it. Take this division of responsibility approach at mealtime. Its effectiveness is supported by child development researcher Ellyn Satter and is endorsed by the American Academy of Pediatrics. There's a lot of information about the division of responsibility in feeding approach online. A sample info sheet is linked in the description below, but I'll cover some of the basics here. In the division of responsibility in feeding, the parents are responsible for what food is served, when eating occurs, and where eating is allowed. Children are responsible for whether or not to eat and how much to eat. Let's see it in action. These parents have set out pots of rice, sambar, which is a spicy lentil stew, and fried okra on the table. This 2-year-old helps himself to the rice and sambar, but not the okra, and that's okay. Next, he tries the food without any pressure from the parents, and instead with a sense of accomplishment. Structured meal times are the backbone of eating success. Take time to sit down with your children and eat together and expose them to a variety of family foods and servingware. Teach them how to serve themselves, choosing from the foods you offer. They will take and consume what their body needs with practice.
Okay. You dumped it. Okay, that's enough. Okay, can you put it away? Put it away and close.
It is important that you limit snacking, including milk, between meals. Plan to enjoy designated sit-down snack times together to make sure your child is not too hungry between meals. By regularly and pleasantly inviting your children to eat what you eat, they will eventually acquire a natural preference for your family foods. This approach might sound crazy to us, but eating family foods from birth is how billions of people around the world learn to eat, and it does work when those foods are offered consistently. Remember, mealtime is not just about providing nourishment. It is an opportunity to teach children good manners and behavior. Try to make it as pleasant as possible by encouraging, but not forcing food. By allowing them to serve themselves, children not only learn what and how to eat, but build confidence and a sense of control and positivity around eating.
Enough. Okay.
Just to recap, it is your responsibility to provide the food and pick the time and place to eat. It's your child's responsibility to pick what to eat and how much. According to Ellyn Satter, even if he only wants bread, even if he eats 5 slices of bread and drinks milk, whatever he wants to eat, he can eat. There is research to back up this approach. In labs set up to look like preschools without parents, kids who were offered a high-calorie first course chose, on their own, a lower-calorie second course. Those who were offered a low-calorie first course opted for a second course with higher calories. In other words, they self-regulated and ate a well-balanced meal overall. A child's ability to self-regulate can go haywire with too much interference. In another study, children were offered a meal followed by endless snacks. Those with stricter parents consumed more snacks than those whose parents were more relaxed, as if they were stashing the snacks away because they might never be invited to have them again. Don't worry if your child is already a picky eater. Consistently apply this new approach for a few weeks. Don't try it, just do it. Your child will likely test the rules at first, then behave well and feel better about eating. If all goes well, you will eventually stop worrying about what she's eating and if she's eating healthy enough. Pressure doesn't work, ever. Your child will see through your tricks, bribes, and acting. Oh, it's so good. Children are not stupid. Many will feel patronized and not comply. I know it's hard, but trust your child. Mind your own business. Enjoy your own foods on your own plate, just as you do with family and friends, and fight, but don't force. Model a normal and healthy relationship with food. Hang in there. Food might be offered up to 15 or 20 times before your child tries it. Some foods are never tried, and that's okay. Stop counting. Just relax and enjoy. For more information about the division of responsibilities in feeding, visit the Ellyn Satter Institute website, ellensatterinstitute.org. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching.